7th International Day for Yoga 2021 will be celebrated globally on Monday, 21st June 2021. The first International Day for Yoga was celebrated in the year 2015. The aim and the objective to celebrate yoga globally is to achieve global health and wellness. India believes in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, means world is one family, and Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaya, means all must be at peace, no one must suffer from illness. This goal of healthy world can be achieved only by understanding the core strength of yoga. The idea of International Yoga Day was first proposed by our own Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, on September 27, 2014, during his speech at the UN General Assembly, where a resolution to establish June 21 as the International Day for Yoga was introduced. The date 21st June was chosen as it is a summer solstice. It is the longest day in the northern hemisphere. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the International Day for Yoga 2021 will be celebrated virtually, keeping in mind the COVID-19 protocols. The theme for this year 2021 is Be with Yoga, Be at Home. We urge all of you to be a part of this celebration from your own safe home. Let us appreciate the theme and practice yoga at our home with our family. We here at Nirmala are already motivated and have started walking on the path to practice yoga. Here are a few glimpses of Be with Yoga, Be at Home, sharing with you Yoga at Home, Yoga with Nirmalite family.
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तमप्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तमप्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि।
हर रोज हमको करना है योग, दूर भगाए जीवन में रोग। बच्चे बूढ़े और जवान आओ मिलकर करे प्राणायाम। आलस शरीर को सब हटाए, शरीर में हर वक्त फुर्ती लाए। शरीर को स्वस्थ सुंदर बनाए, नित्य दिन योग को जीवन में अपनाए। खाना पीना जीवन शैली हर एक की बदलती जा रही है। बीमारियों का घर हो रहा है शरीर, अब भी ध्यान न दे तो बिगड़ जाएगी तकदीर। योग के अनेकों है फायदे, जीवन में अवलंब इसको कर ले। न छुपेगी कोई बीमारी, न पास आएगी कोई मजबूरी। जिसने योग को अपनाया, हाँ हाँ जिसने योग को अपनाया, समझो रोगों को दूर भगाया। छोटा सा है ये मूल मंत्र, योग को हर दिन कर लो स्वतंत्र। रोगों का राजा योग, खुशहाल जिंदगी का मंत्र योग। आओ मिलकर योग करें, योग दिवस को सफल करें, योग दिवस को सफल करें। रोज की हो दिनचर्या या चाहे हो खेल कूद, रोज की हो दिनचर्या या चाहे हो खेल कूद, योग से ही बनेगा एक नवयुग, योग से ही बनेगा एक नवयुग।
Yoga is a way of life. Yoga is a holistic approach. It uses various postures, exercises, mantras, and meditations that enhances the thoughts and changes the mindset of a person. It emphasizes unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature. One of the tremendous yoga practice is Surya Namaskar. This is the best exercise for the human body. It involves important yoga asanas and pranayam.
12 क्रियाओं का एक आसन। जब इस क्रिया को आप करते हैं तो संपूर्ण शरीर की चेतना शक्ति जागृत होती है, शरीर की तमाम ऊर्जा शक्ति जागृत होती है। शरीर और मन को चैतन्य करने के लिए सूर्य नमस्कार ही केवल एक ऐसा आसन माना गया है जिसमें सारे आसन कवर होते हैं। आपको बहुत सारे आसन करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। आप केवल 15 से लेकर 20 बार यदि सूर्य नमस्कार के प्रयोग करते हैं तो आपके संपूर्ण शरीर और मस्तिष्क में गजब की क्रांति होगी, लाभ होगा।
During this ongoing coronavirus pandemic, when we all are forced to live a restricted life under constant fear and anxiety, let us practice yoga at home to live through this lockdown. Yogasanas, when combined with breathing and meditation, acts as a best antidote to take care of our mind, body and soul. It can be performed by people of all ages. Yoga is a gateway to happiness. Yoga is key to stress-free life. Yoga is a way of life and helps you to maintain balanced attitude in day-to-day life. The Nirmalite family invites you to join us on 21st June from your home on this holistic journey towards health and wellness.
Now let's do breathing exercises. Sit down. You can choose between Sukhasana, Ardha Siddhasana, Siddhasana, Padmasana, whatever is comfortable to you. Back should be straight, neck straight, relax, smile on the face. We will start with chanting Om 3 times. Close your eyes. Focus in between your eyebrows. Deep breathe in and slowly breathe out, chanting Aum is not a sound related to one particular religion. Vedas call it Udgit, the sound of the universe.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।